Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to reset Google Chrome settings on your Android device. Not from inside the Chrome app, but directly through your phone's Settings app. This method is useful if Chrome is crashing, not opening, or behaving unusually and you can't access the app itself. Resetting it through the Android settings will clear all data and bring it back to its original state, like when it was first installed. So let's jump right into it. On your Android phone, swipe up to open the app drawer, then open Setting app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications depending on your device model. In the list of apps, scroll or search for Chrome. Tap on the Google Chrome app to open its App Info screen. Inside the App Info screen, tap on Storage and Cache or Storage. Now tap Clear Cache first to delete temporary files. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Storage. Then select Clear All Data. You'll see a warning that this will delete all app data, including accounts, settings, and databases. Confirm by tapping OK or Yes. You should know if this will reset Chrome completely. All browsing history, site permissions, saved settings, and logins will be deleted. If Chrome is still misbehaving, go back to the App Info screen. Tap Disable, then Confirm. Wait a few seconds, then tap Enable. This can help refresh the app completely if something is stuck or corrupted. And that's it. You've just learned how to reset Chrome settings on Android using the Settings app, perfect for fixing bugs or starting fresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tech tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.